Amazon has just released a brand new pay-per-click feature for their auto campaigns that is going to allow you to drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to acquire data and boost sales for your product. But first, for those who don't know, my name is Nick and I'm the Chief of Operations here at Sellers Arena, and it's our passion to help not only large companies scale their businesses to the top, but also to help smaller private labels get started and more quickly achieve their goals on Amazon. Now, with that being said, if you're interested in more content like this, definitely hit the subscribe button below and also tap that notification bell so you'll get notified when we put out more content just like this. Let's jump right into it. So whenever you create a new auto campaign now, what Amazon is doing is automatically putting in 4 new ad groups within that campaign. So if you go to the ad group level now, after you create your campaign, you're going to notice these as soon as you go in there and click on the targeting tab. You're going to see 4 new groups, one being a close match, one being a substitute, another a loose match, and one last one that is called compliments. Now, what each of these is going to do is allow you to take advantage of Amazon's massive database in different ways. The first match type, close match, will specifically target your ads to people who have used search terms very closely related to your product. Now, what this does is it will allow you to increase the bid in this group to be more aggressive in your auto campaign. So if you want to just really go after people searching any kind of search terms related to your product, you can ramp the bids up on this one. Now, the second match type is the substitute. Now, what Amazon does here is it will specifically target shoppers who have viewed the detail pages of products similar to yours. So whereas the first one, they actually targeted based on the search terms, this one, they've actually used their, again, massive database and actually targeted people who have actually viewed the listings of products very similar to yours. Now, the third one is the loose match. Now, this one is where you can kind of cast a wider net. So if you wanted to just kind of dig deeper and try to figure out keywords that might convert for your product that you just don't know yet, this is going to be where you want to continually do that continual research, similar to a standard auto campaign, how it used to be. It's a constant discovery / iterative process that's just ongoing over time. You may not want to go as aggressive on this depending on how much budget you have. If you crank it up too high on this one, you could potentially spend a lot of money. So if you do that, you do want to pay close attention to your spending day to day. Now, the fourth one is called compliments. Now, I really personally like that they've added this one to the campaign, because what it allows you to do is, say you have a product that you know complements a lot of other products in your niche. So say you're selling a knife sharpener, that's going to go well with a lot of other, kitchen related products such as knives and whatnot. So you're going to want to crank the bid up on that if you know you have a product that can complement other products very easily. Now, if you have any questions regarding PPC or anything else Amazon, definitely leave a comment below. And if you just hate PPC and you're looking for a complete done-for-you solution, we rolled out something just like that just for you. I'll leave a link to it down in the comments below so you can check it out. And if you want to stay on top of everything Amazon, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. It means a lot to me. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know when more videos come out just like this. And as always, thanks for watching.